MCQs of E. histolytica. Question 1. Which of the following is an organ of locomotion in E. histolytica? A. Flagellum, B. Pseudopodium, C. Cilia, or D. Pili. The organ of locomotion in case of E. histolytica is pseudopodium. So the correct option here is option B, pseudopodium. All of the following about trophozoites of E. histolytica are true except A. Trophozoite of E. histolytica live in the mucosa and submucosa of large intestine. B. Trophozoite is the vegetative feeding stage. C. Trophozoite is larger in phases of convalescents and carriers than in stool of acute dysentery. And D. Endoplasm of trophozoite has a ground glass appearance. Now, trophozoites of histolytica, they live in the mucosa and submucosa of large intestine. Trophozoite are vegetative feeding stage, and endoplasm of trophozoite is ground glass in appearance. So, option A, B, and D are correct. While trophozoite is larger in case of acute dysentery and smaller in case of convalescents and carriers. So, the option C is false. So, the correct option here is option C. Trophozoite is larger in phases of convalescent and carrier and smaller in case of acute dysentery. Question 3. Pus cells seen in amoebic dysentery are numerous, scanty, or moderate. The pus cells in amoebic dysentery are scanty, while in bacillary dysentery they are plenty. pH of the stool in amoebic dysentery is acidic, alkaline, neutral, or none of these. The correct option here is pH of the stool in case of amoebic dysentery is acidic. About trophozoite of histolytica, all are true except A. Its endoplasm contains nucleus, red blood cells, food vacuoles, and granules. B. Nucleus contains a small dot-like central karyosome. C. Trophozoite divide every 8 hours by binary fission. And D. Encystation takes place in the gut, lumen, in the tissues and feces outside the body. So option A, B, and C are all correct because the endoplasm contains nucleus, RBCs, food vacuoles. The nucleus contains a central dot-like karyosome. The trophozoite divide every 8 hours by binary fission. So A, B, and C are all correct. Encystation takes place only in the gut lumen and not in the tissues and not in the feces outside the body. The only place where encystation takes place is the gut lumen. So option D is the answer. Question 6. Mature histolytica cyst is characterized by the presence of A. 4 nuclei, B. chromatoid bars, C. glycogen mass, or D. all of the above. In mature histolytica cyst, chromatoid bar and glycogen mass are not visible, only the nuclei are visible, and there are 4 nuclei in a mature histolytica cyst. So the correct option here is option A, 4 nuclei. Amoebic abscess can occur in liver, lung, brain, or all of the above. Amoebic abscess can occur in any organ of the body, so the correct option here is option D, all of the above. The term amoeboma is used to describe amoebic liver abscess, granulation tissue in a deep ulcer of colon, skin lesion due to training, or none of these. The term amoeboma is used to describe the granulation tissue in a deep ulcer of the colon. Question 9. E. histolytica trophozoites multiply by binary fission, schizogony, gametogony, or all of the above. So E. histolytica trophozoites multiply by binary fission. Question 10. The infective form of E. histolytica is mature cyst, trophozoite, pre-cyst, or mononucleate cyst. The infective form of E. histolytica is mature cyst. The correct option here is option A. This is the answer key. Thank you.